the top. You look down, that's the bottom. Now, if the top ever becomes the bottom, swim. Alright, we are starting our journey here, right here in the Amazon rainforest. It is a little bit misty, just careful you won't miss it. It is one of Santa's favorite places because he loves rain. Here. Through the mist, if you can see it on either side of the boat, are some of our beautiful margarine flies. I know, super hard to see, but I can't believe it's not butterflies. I know. I did hear a rumor about the margarine flies once. I don't want to spread it, though. No. Just over here, we have Inspiration Falls. A lot of people do ask me, Skipper Deb, why is it called Inspiration Falls? We have found that by staring at it long enough. The biggest Scrooges. To go caroling. Yeah, Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise. I have one person that is inspired. I appreciate that. Thank you. We're now going to keep going, though. We are going to turn onto the Congo River. We're going to see just how far we can go into the deepest, darkest parts of Central Africa. Yes. I did get you all an early Christmas gift. It's just right up here. It's the Jungle Book in 3D. You're welcome. I know, quite the page turner, actually. Straight ahead of us at our Boats and Bait shop, it looks like they're ready for a very Merry Fishmas and a Happy Veronica. Yeah, looks like the holiday party's going on. I can't see anyone. Canoe?
Hello.
Oh, look at that. Somebody's getting an old tree for Christmas. It's already all wrapped up with a boa on top. Oh, wait, that was supposed to be a partridge and a pair of trees. Oh, well. We're going to swing by the trapping station real quick. A lot of people were very confused by my decision to hire gorillas. But as you can see, their turnover is just fantastic. I know, look at them tearing through those orders. They need to reset a shotgun shells earlier. That was a blast, I think. Okay, but on that note, we're going to turn down the Nile River. It was getting a little loud. Yeah. You know, it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, here it is. Disbelief. I know. Straight up ahead here, hiding behind the trees, is the second most feared animal of the jungle. That is an African bull elephant. Yes, very terrifying, but he is hiding behind the trees for a reason. And that reason
it's an
is
elephant.
the most feared animal of the jungle. Right over here, his mother-in-law. Maybe here's a sandstone rock formation. I point this out. A lot of people really take it for granted, but I think it's one of our bolder attractions, and I always like to take a moment and just marvel at it. Leaves me feeling very sedimentary, actually, you know. I think it rocks. We have now reached the African Veldt. It is an immense grassland home to all sorts of animals getting ready for the canoe here. Yeah, the prairie lions there are enjoying their favorite holiday meal, zebra on the rocks. Yeah, actually very hard to eat a zebra because you got to separate it out. You know, you got white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Zebras. Every other white meat. Now right over here, that's Skipper Felix and his crew. Now Skipper Felix wasn't sure his crew was going to be able to get stuck at the top of the tree there, but it does look like that rhino is going to see them through to the end. I think. Actually, you know what? Whatever, I know. Alright, well it looks like we are now headed into Croc country, and that means right over here on the beach is my best friend Smiley and his girlfriend Ginger. They're super sweet, but you do have to watch out for Ginger because Ginger snaps. She is one cookie. Oh yeah, I know. Straight ahead of us is Schweitzer Falls, named after the very famous North Pole explorer, Dr. Snowfall. Yeah. Oh no, we're not turning. Everybody lean into the right. We don't want to be in water. We need to tilt the boat.
Oh no!
Yeah, I was scared too. You know, I thought I was going to dance the boat with them because I'm hauling. Oh no, looks like planes are grounded again. Don't you just hate holiday travel? Yeah, actually a down plane in the jungle can mean only one thing. Hippos.
Oh.
Yep. Looks like we are surrounded by some very hungry hippos. I should probably be a little more specific on my Christmas list.
I want
These have been known to capsize boats just like ours. The good news is they can't charge us today for only taking cash. Alright, we're gonna get out of here though. Yeah, on a happier note, the only thing that is jollier than a boat full of jelly is a boat full of chips. Looks like they've gotten into the full swing of the holiday spirit. They've just gone completely bananas. Yeah, I don't find it very appealing myself. I think we just better split. But I hope you all like bananas. kind of jokes because I've got a bunch. I think they're very pretty. I'm going to save some for later though, because I would hate to slip up on a bad one. That would be very embarrassing. Yeah. You know that feeling around the holidays? You get those butterflies in your stomach. These guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. Those butterflies, they aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah. All right, but we have now reached the moment that you have all been waiting for. That's right. It is the one, the only. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the backside of Agnes! I know. We were looking for a gingerbread to go with it. We never had one big enough. Maybe next year. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the Mekong River of Cambodia. Now, right over here in the corner, that is our goddess Shirley. I believe I would make this right here Shirley's temple. No, but I don't recognize this entrance. Did you all want to go in? Yeah? All right. Well, you better watch out, Julie, and I better not cry.
Tiger. Ooh, it's a boa. That's a cobras.
Oh, good, we made it. Did you all make it out okay? Raise your hand if you're not here. Excellent. All right. Well, it looks like we've stumbled into another holiday party, although this one is a bit of a letdown. Yeah, you know, just look at it. It's really a wash. Yeah. Now right up ahead, that's Bertha. Bertha is such a great example of what happens when you stay in the shower too long. Yep, you turn into an elephant. You know, it almost happened to me once. Just kidding. I don't shower. Yeah. Although the elephants over here, they try to get us to. Squirt's actually been on the nice list this year. He hasn't sprayed any of our boats. We are so happy for him. However, this trickster over here hides behind the rocks, and he's been on the naughty list. Oh gosh, he's coming up. Duck! 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 Duck!
Whoa!
I guess he forgot to pack his trunk. At least he remembered to pack his arm. Yeah. A lot of people think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Alright, well, we do have a little bit of a boat line. Not quite as impressive as a pickup line, but I guess whatever floats your boat, right? Water, usually, for me. Okay, well, while we're here, I would like to take a moment and just point out yeah, I wasn't going to try to talk over that. Two of my favorite plants in the area. There's that one, and that one. And,
Hi,
that one.
Hattie.
Yeah. And some of these plants actually have very cool, very festive names for the holidays, and I always like to point them out. So that there is Dasher, and Vixen, and Cupid, and Blitzen, and Donner, and Comet. And does someone want to guess what that one's name is? It's Fern. Yeah. No, but I love the enthusiasm. Rudolph would be a great name, actually. You know, maybe we should name one of them Rudolph. That would be awesome. Yeah, I was going to get you all plants, but I never bought any. No, I was told I had to get much more rooted in those kinds of decisions. They really would help my relationships just grow. Yeah, well, I do have to ask, because we're hanging out for a minute, is this anybody's first time on the Jingle Cruise? Any first timers? Oh, me too! Oh, it's like we're in the same situation. Yeah. Oh, that's a great one. Same boat. I have to remember that. I'm really bad at analogies, so thank you. I'll try to remember that next time. Is this anybody's last time on the Jingle Cruise? Any last timers? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. There's always at least one. That's my bad. Well, you know. What? You're holding your breath? Don't do that. You'll pass out and start breathing on your own automatically anyway. Alright, well, you know what, I'm gonna go back to plants for a minute, because actually I just remembered, back to names, not like the festive names, but different like plant names. So up there, you have a hibiscus. And then down here, you have a lobiscus. In the water there, it's too dark to see at night, but that's a seabiscus. And then right back here on the trees, that's a dogbiscus. And then just back behind the foliage there, that's nunubiscus. Yeah, everything biscus, you know? Whatever. It's all good. Alright, but no trip through the Jingle Cruise is quite complete without getting those last-minute holiday gifts. Yeah, and that is why Trader Sam has opened up his Lost and Found gift shop. You know, get that special someone the gift they've always wanted. The same thing that they lost earlier today. You know, yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to smile for the photo. Carl, take the picture. Get my good side this time. No, take the photo, Carl. There we go. All right. A lot of people think that he charges for those photos. He just does it for the exposure. But it looks like Sam's out. He probably went to go find a few more treasures for the shop. Can you believe people leave strollers full of all sorts of amazing items just out in the middle of walkways completely unattended? Crazy. All right. And I would like to take this moment real quick and just point out the elephant in the room. That's Ellie. Yeah. She's in charge whenever Sam's not around. You don't want to try to put 5 monkeys in charge of a shop. That's monkey business right there. That's what that is. Yeah. Really. Well, just around the corner here is the most dangerous part of our journey. The stampede of last-minute holiday shoppers. Yeah. So I just ask that you stay fully seated until we reach the dock at a full and complete stop. Keep both hands, arms, feet, legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, and anything else that you do want to keep inside the boat. We don't want to scratch the dock. You know, it's very hard to replace. Yeah. And then parents, make sure you're still watching your kids. Kids, make sure you're still watching your parents. Okay, they're the real troublemakers here. If you laughed today, I want to thank you so much for laughing. If you didn't, it's been a very awkward 12 minutes of you just staring at me. Don't worry, I felt it too. It's okay. Actually, you know, I think I gotta tell you, I thought you guys were all outstanding. Out of all the crews I've had today, you guys have definitely been the most recent. Yeah, and I mean that every time I say it. Actually, I gotta tell you, I've enjoyed having you. You know what? I hope you all enjoyed being had. No, that's weird. I've enjoyed taking you. I hope you all enjoyed being taken. No, that's even worse. I'll think of a better one. Oh, yeah, don't forget New Year's Eve. Food, fireworks, festivities, fun had by all. Just not here. Yeah, all we have here is malaria and elephants. A lot of elephants. Speaking of elephants, did any of you know Santa used to use elephants before he switched over to reindeer? Yeah, there were too many complaints about roof damage, so he had to switch. But the downside was a loss of trunk space. Yeah. Now up ahead here, you're going to see a dock on the left and a dock on the right. It can be very confusing sometimes. That's what we like to call a paradox. Yeah. And then you're going to see 2 skippers. They're going to step into the boat to assist you out. That's what we like to call a paradorks. Yeah. And now you'll see Miss Emma Caroline over here. She is holding a rope. She has spent all of her life learning how to rope a boat. So we are going to, you know, entertain her today, and we're going to let her put a rope on this boat. She does work very well under pressure, so if you stare at her, hopefully she can do this on the first try. Yeah, we're going to see if you can do this. Yeehaw, right? All right. We're going to see. We're going to stop the boat. We're going to stay seated while she puts a rope on this boat. Hopefully she can do this.
Rope secure!
Yeah, secure. Excellent job. All right, we're going to take this rope off. Stay seated. Now, rope, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I know, you've been on the naughty list. We got to work on that. Oh, look at that. He's taut. Get it?